My name is Anastasia Sviridyuk, and I am a fitness expert. My mission is to help 1 million women around the world to get into their dream shape in the shortest time possible and stay that way. Over the last 14 years, I have experienced and trained in over 17 different fitness systems and health programs and mastered the fundamentals of health and fitness for women. Today I have come devised a simple fitness system that you can follow and transform yourself into your dream shape. I am on this mission because I don't want you to go through the years of struggle, pain, frustration that I have been through in the last 14 years to get to where I am today. I want you to become a healthiest, fittest, confident, sexiest, and energetic version of yourself and stay that way.